Hello, you're welcome to this class, and we'll be considering a very new topic, and that is sequence and fraction. Sequence and series. Pardon me, sequence and series. You could be given some random numbers. Let's just have a set of random numbers. So you have this as 1, we have 3, we have 10, we have 7, we have 2. That's set of number. Let's call this set of numbers for A. And now let us have set of number for B, and we could have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, and we call this set of numbers for B. Alright, observe this set of number for A and also observe this set of number for B. What do you observe? What do you observe? You should observe something in this set of numbers, set of number A and set of number B. Okay, all right, let's look at it together. See, in this set of number A, it's not well arranged. It's not well arranged. It's not arranged. It's not arranged, and then it's not orderly. That's what we mean. It's not orderly. It's not orderly. It's scattered. But if you look at the option, the set of numbers for B, you observe that it is well arranged, and also it is orderly. It is orderly. So when you see a set of numbers that are well arranged and in a manner that is structured like this, the difference between one number and the next number is the same. The difference between this other number and the next number is the same, because if you look at this one, after 1 is 2. The difference between 1 and 2 is what? Is 1. And the difference between 1 and 2 is 1. And after 2 is 3. The difference between 3 and 2 is 1. The difference between 3 and 4 is 1. The difference between 4 and 5 is 1. See, the differences the differences remains the same throughout. Yes, that is a number that we call a sequence. You're going to write it down, a number that we call a sequence. So when the numbers appears or are presented one after another in an orderly manner, we call that a sequence. Like this is orderly, the spelling here is orderly, not orderly. That was wrong spelling. It's orderly, only Y. Yes, ORDERLY. Okay, so let us write what a sequence is. What is a sequence? Okay, let's put this down as, let's do this. Let's write what a sequence is. So we can say, what is a sequence? What is a sequence? And we will answer this question by just writing it down, that when a number appears or are presented one after the other. If you have your book, you need to be writing it down as well, and you are encouraged, when you are studying with easy learning, you need to have a book. Yes. So another, in an in an orderly manner, yes, we then refer to the set of numbers as sequence. Refer to the set of numbers as sequence. Very, very important. What this means, just like the set of numbers that we had here, when a number appears or are presented one after another in an orderly manner, this is orderly. This number here is orderly. The numbers here appear orderly, one after another. We then refer to that set of number as sequence. This other one here is not orderly. And we cannot call this first set of numbers here sequence. Why can't we call it sequence? We can't call it sequence because it is not orderly. The numbers are appearing scattered. After 1 is 3, after 3 is 10, after 10 is 7, after 7 is 2. It's not orderly. So when a set of numbers that are arranged and are not arranged orderly, that is not a sequence. But if it is arranged orderly, we call that number a sequence. Please note this. It is very, very important. It is very, very important. All right. Now, we can also take another example of sequence. We can take an example of some sequence. The first one that we just finished that one. We can have a sequence like 5. Let's have like 5. After 5, we can have 10. After 10, we can have 10. Let's have 10 correctly. So 10, we can have 20. So 20, we can have 30. We can have 30. After 30, we can have 40, and it can continue and on and on and on. Now observe something. If you look at this, they are arranged orderly. Let's take away this 5. So let's take away this 5. So if you look at these numbers, they are orderly, and you see, if you look at the difference between them, it's a common difference between them, something that separates them the same. The difference between 20 and 10 is what? It's 10. The difference between 30 and 20 is what? 10. It remains 10. The difference between 40 and 30 is what? It's 10. So when you observe a number arranged like this, that is a sequence. A sequence must appears orderly, and has a common difference. That's what we call common difference. Let's write it down. Just see, it must have a common. Difference, and that common difference, we use the small letter D to represent the common difference. What is the common difference? The common difference is that number that separates the first and this other one, that separates two numbers. The numbers in between these two numbers, the number in between these two numbers, the number in between these two numbers. So that is the common difference. Like this 10 and 20, the difference between 20 and 10 is what? Is 10. And it will be the same. It must be the same throughout. To check out, 30 minus 20 is 10. 40 minus 30 is 10. That makes it a common difference that we represent with letter D. Now, we've been able to establish what a sequence is when numbers appear or are presented one after another in an orderly manner. Set of numbers that are presented one after another in an orderly manner, we call that a sequence. Now, sequence works hand in hand with another term that we call series. It works hand in hand with a term that we call series. And what is series? Now, series is the summation or addition of terms in a sequence. So series is just the summation. That is summation here. We mean when we talk about summation, we are talking about addition. It has to do with the summation. That is the addition of the terms and all the terms. That's of the terms of a sequence. Has to do with the summation, that's the addition of the terms in a sequence. Remember, this here is a sequence arranged orderly, and we also have another sequence here. All right, let's write out the sequence again over here. The first sequence we had is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's the first sequence. The next sequence we have is 10, 20, 30, 40. Must it always be like this? We can have another one like 7, 14, 21, and we can have 28. All right. Observing these three sets of sequence. These are three sets of sequence. If I can ask you, we talked about common difference, right? Yes. If I can ask you, in the sequence, this is now sequence A. This is now sequence. Let me take this out. This is now sequence A, and we have this as sequence B and sequence C. So if I ask you a question right now, and I say, what is the common difference in sequence A? What will be the answer? Just subtract 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. It will be the same. So the common difference here, that is D here is equal to 1. And in this case, what's the common difference here? Just subtract 20 minus 10, or let's say 20 minus 10, or 30 minus 20. Let's say 40 minus 30. Subtract the two numbers that are together. Subtract the smaller one from the bigger one, and the common difference here, that will be a D here, is 10. Now in this case, what is the common difference in this case? In sequence C, what's the common difference? If you subtract 14 minus 7 or 21 minus 14, the common difference here is what? Is 7. The common difference there is 7. All right, now we are talking about series as addition of the terms. So if we are asked to find the series of this sequence, it simply means addition. So now we are going to now add it up. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. We're going to add it up. And when we add it up, the answer will give us the series. You can add this one up. Also 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. Adding it up, 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus 24. So what we have here is what we call the series, whereas sequence is the arrangement of this number orderly. When you see a number and those numbers are arranged orderly and has a common difference, that number has a common difference. If you subtract it from another, it remains the same throughout the number, not like in this first one. This first one here, never ever a sequence, because it is not orderly and it does not have a common ratio, so it's not a sequence. But this one and this other one that we did, and all these ones here, sequence A, B, and C, is a sequence. And we just said that series is when you add up the sequence. So in this introductory class. Just understand what a sequence is and also know what a series is. Okay, so we'll be looking at types of sequence, and we're going to start with arithmetic progression as a type of sequence in our next class. See you in the next class. Bye.